Hi everyone, my name is Lorraine. I'm 30 years old and I reside in the East Rand. Today I'm here not only as a model, but to learn a few techniques to perfect my everyday makeup application as well. I heard about Shyla and Perfect Shade Cosmetics through Facebook and through friends as well. And I actually ordered a few products and I'm amazed by the results of these products. Today I'm looking forward to be a model and to see what she can do for me. Yes, stay tuned. Let's see what Shyla has in store for us today.
Okay, so beautiful. This is my client Lorraine, who's also going to be a model today. So I'm going to start off with the Photoshop primer. She has very dry skin. She's been battling with this and also with a few breakouts. So I'm just applying the Photoshop primer on her skin just to also hydrate a bit. And I'm just going to let that sink in really well, taking it all the way down to her neck. So I'm really going to let that sit for a bit, especially underneath her eyes. That's where majority of her dryness is. And just getting it in. She's also got some pores that's starting to open here around her nose and her cheeks. Okay, that side's done. You can turn back to the camera. Close your eyes for me. I'm gonna have a field day with your brows. I can see a huge improvement in terms of the hydration, how the Photoshop primer has blurred out her marks. You can see that. Her skin's getting nice and smooth and completely matte. Okay, next I'm going to use the mattifying powder to seal the pores and to give it that extra smoothness, especially around her eyes. You can see it's okay, and now it's gone. She's got a few lines here that I'm going to cover and seal with the foundation as well. Next, I'm going to apply the Bronze 4 corrector underneath the eyes. Next, I'm applying her Fair foundation, which is what I suggested to her when she did her online order. Next, I'm applying the foundation, the Fair foundation, underneath her eyes really close. And I'm also going to do some corrective work here because she's got a line here that I want to bring out. And directly above the line, she's got some puffiness. So I just want to do corrective work to balance that. So I'm applying the foundation in the line and just above the puffiness. So you can see immediately that's just minimized. So completely bypassing this area here where the puffiness is. Down this way. Okay, I'm just using number 8 powder to seal. Dabbing on her focal points all the way down. Next, I'm using my fixing mist so that if you have really dry areas and you're still in the process of treating it and you don't want the products to catch on those areas, then I suggest using our fixing mist that we have at the moment. So keep your eyes closed and I'm just going to spray and wait for that to dry. Do your brows. We're going to give her, you can see that Lorraine's brows are a bit straight, so I'm going to give her an arch. Next, I'm going to use the foundation to clean around it to create a more defined shape using the Fair foundation. Just going to define her brows with the brown from our highlighter and contour palette, because Lorraine is quite light, so you can't go too dark on her brows. Okay, next I'm going to just apply a very light highlighting eyeshadow on the inner corners of her eyes. I'm going for the Katy Perry look. So very light, lots of lashes, thick liner, and not too much happening with the eyeshadows. So next I'm applying a soft pink on the lid and putting it into the shading area as well. There's no shading because Lorraine's got small eyes, so she likes nicely defined eyes with liner, so that's what I'm going to do. And with lots of mascara and lashes. Okay, turn back to the camera. Next is mascara. Next, I'm preparing the lashes, and while the lashes are drying, I am going to finish off with the rest of the face and contour her nose. She doesn't need a lot of contouring on the rest of her face, just her forehead and her nose. So just contouring very lightly with this. And then I'm going to blend it. Cutting her cheeks very, very little. And cutting a chin. Let's make a chin smaller. Cutting her nose, giving her a small pixie nose. Giving her a small pixie nose. She's got a naturally upturned nose, but we just want to make it a little bit cuter. There, just cutting it off there. And then I'm going to highlight here. Smile, soft pink blush. Next, I'm using the pink body highlighter on her cheeks only. And then I'm going to seal it with a powder highlighter. So I'm just using the powder puff to apply this. You can keep it face straight. I'm going to do this side first. Keep your eyes closed. Just dab it on. You can even use a beauty blender to do this step here. And I also find that it's going to help with her dryness underneath her eyes. So that was the reason for choosing the body highlighter for the cheekbones mainly. This one needs a lot more hydration. Sure, what a difference. Right, just bringing out the cheekbones a little bit more. Sealing it with a powder highlighter. Right, the lashes are probably ready to go on. Okay, while the lashes are drying, I'm just going to do her lips, and I'm choosing a vibrant candy pink that is so characteristic of Katy Perry. Just going to apply a moist lipstick first to moisturize her lips. Keep your lips together and smile for me. Okay, rub your lips together. Blot, 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 blot. Lips together, smile. Okay, I'm using Creamy Matte Lip Matte in number 2 as her liner, and then I'm going to use number 11 in the Matte Bullet range as her lipstick. Giving her some lips. She's got thin lips, so we're just going to give her a natural filler on her lips. To dry, and then I'm just going to fix her liner at the top and make them even. Now that the lashes are dry, stay as is. Your eyes look up. Yeah, look at those eyes jump out. They're feeling like cousins.
No, they actually feel very comfortable.
Okay. I'm just waiting for those lips to dry. Are they dry?
Yes.
Okay, keep your lips together. Okay ladies, so I'm going to finish off the look with a light spritz of our fixing mist, just to take away any dryness if there's any. So just keep your eyes closed and that's it. Okay ladies, so this is what Lorraine looks like for her after look. If you'd like to know more about what I've used on her face, please WhatsApp me on 079-272-4713. Ladies, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to see more of these amazing tutorials. Until the next look, bye!
Okay ladies, I promised you an honest review at the end. So I love the products. They feel great on my skin. It doesn't look dry anymore. I can't see my lines anymore, can't see my pores anymore. My eyes pop for the first time. I've got brows, which I never had. And Hubby's very happy with the look. I'm very surprised and grateful to Shiloh for showing me how to do my makeup for the first time. And I hope you all like the tutorial and follow the steps she showed us. Thank you. Okay, first off, wow, amazing. Wow. Okay, my favorite parts, the eyes and the bigger lips. Can't actually see my pores for the first time in years. The lines have disappeared. It doesn't feel heavy on my face at all. I'd be able to use this every day. Recommend it to everyone I know. Wow, a total different person. I actually have tears in my eyes. Thank you. Thank you, Shiloh.
And what about the dry skin?
Oh, it's perfect. Wow. Everything is perfect, perfect, perfect. I've never had my makeup done like this, not by myself or any other person before. Wow. Thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you.
You cry on camera, yes.
Thank you. Wow.
You're so welcome.
I actually see the color of my eyes.
Your eyes jump.
Wow.
When you opened your eyes, I didn't realize you had such blue eyes.
Perfect. Sure. Very, very, very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wow.
Donovan, your husband, what do you think from that angle?
She looks amazing, eh? I haven't seen makeup done like that yet. Awesome.
No, it's perfect. I love everything. Especially the skin that doesn't look or feel dry as well. And the eyebrows. I've got eyebrows for the first time. Wow. Very, very, very nice. Thank you so, so, so much. Wow. I actually look thinner. It actually looks like I lost some weight.
It made your face a little bit thinner. You
It actually looks like that.
You didn't need
Wow.
it. You actually didn't need it at all.
Wow, it looks very, very, very
Just
good.
your nose, I gave you a pixie nose.
Oh, well, it looks to me like I lost some weight. That's a bonus.
Good.
Very nice.
A lady, she's a mom of 3 kids. Gosh.
Oh, they're getting a new mommy today. That's for sure. That's for sure. Wow. Oh, perfect. Really perfect. Thank you so much.